Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize your chances for potential Web3 airdrops. To begin, focus on active participation within the decentralized ecosystem. This involves interacting with various decentralized applications, or dApps, across multiple blockchain networks. By consistently engaging with these platforms, you build a transaction history that many projects consider for future token distributions. Remember, the goal is to demonstrate genuine usage and contribution to the ecosystem, increasing your eligibility for valuable rewards. Engaging with decentralized applications is a fundamental step. Connect your MetaMask wallet to a variety of dApps and perform different types of transactions. This could include swapping tokens on a decentralized exchange, providing liquidity, or even participating in a game. Explore various blockchain networks like Ethereum, Polygon, and Arbitrum. Consistent and varied activity across these platforms demonstrates your active involvement, which is often a key criterion for airdrop eligibility. Aim for regular interactions, not just one-time actions. Providing liquidity and bridging assets are powerful ways to increase your airdrop potential. By supplying tokens to liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges, you contribute to the ecosystem's stability and earn fees. Similarly, lending and borrowing assets on DeFi platforms showcases your active participation. Furthermore, utilizing cross-chain bridges to move funds between different networks demonstrates your engagement with the broader multi-chain environment. These actions often signal a deeper commitment to the decentralized finance space, making you a more attractive candidate for future token distributions. Finally, immerse yourself in Web3 communities and participate in testnets. Follow projects on social media and join their Discord channels to stay informed about potential opportunities. Many projects reward early users who participate in their testnet phases, helping to identify bugs and improve functionality. Providing valuable feedback can significantly increase your chances of receiving an airdrop. Active engagement and contribution to the community demonstrate your commitment, positioning you as a valuable early adopter for future token launches and rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.